Nature has a way of imprinting good memories, whether it's an ancient trees, green leaves, and beautiful flowers, or majestic clouds and chirping birds. These experiences become treasured memories that elevate my spirits. So, it's another weekend in remote, guys. At gusto ko pa rin pahalagahan yung narrative ko sa buhay. And that is to live in simplicity, giving time to my parents as they age, and burning my life with passion. Kagaya ng nabanggit ko, it is part of my narrative to provide time to my mother as she ages. White hair, like the moon's gentle brightness, it waves through the patterns of creation. At yung bawat hibla ng puting buhok ay isang bulong na nag-uugnay sa life journey ng aking nanay. So now, as her hair turns white and body aches, I become her gentle arms. There are many valuable things that I have learned from Nanay. One of them is a simple sewing. So, kaya every time na nagtatay siya, tutok na tutok ako para malaman ko kung ano yung mga technique at para naman marunong akong manahi kahit yung mga simpleng damit or simpleng mga ribbons or pantali sa buhok gaya ng ginagawa namin ngayon.
So, yan. Ito yung gagamitin kong tela. Kasi maganda siya. Yellow and black. Then, this would be the pattern that I'll be using. So, cut ko na siya. And this one para sa ribbon niya. Yan.
Ayan, so malapit-lapit na tayong matapos. Konting push pa at matatapos na rin 'to. So itutusok ko lang yung stick para i-revert yung tela. So, ito na yung output natin. Ito na yung ribbon na ginawa ko. Insert lang natin ito. Tapos, parang ganun. Ayan, ganito na ang itsura. That completed my weekend for today. I was able to show you the life living in simplicity with nature, spending time with my parents in their old age, and burning life with passion.
So, ayun, na-inspired lang din akong mag-garden for today because meron akong nabiling new rose plant. Ayan, so may ano na siya, may flower na siya. So beautiful. Kaya medyo inspired tayo na mag-garden. Ayan. So, nabili ko siya worth of 75 pesos lang sa may flower shop at flower garden. So, murang-mura lang. ayan guys, medyo inspired tayo mag-garden because of our rose plant. And masaya ako kasi natapos ko rin yung ribbon na ginagawa ko together with my nanay.
You bring out the best in me. By your side, I'll forever be. With a great big smile as big as the big blue ocean tide.
Again, this is Sasuka, not an expert, but just one.